The deeper I have researched the science of motivation, the more I have realized that the ancient teachings are so very relevant even today. Gautam Buddha used to say, "With our thoughts we make the world." The Upanishad said, "Anandam Brahma." Bliss is the basis of all existence. Shakespeare used to say, "Nothing is good or bad, it is our thinking which makes it so." Through the ages, people have emphasized, great people have emphasized, that happiness, bliss, the inner state of being determines the fulfillment of life. So this is what I have wanted to research into. And I've gone into many university studies, many experiments in human psychology. And I was surprised. Actually, I was not so surprised. For example, there has been research which said if salespeople are feeling positive emotionally, their sales records increase by up to 50-60%. Happiness creates success. We look at it the other way around. Usually we think we'll be successful, we'll be happy. But you know what happens? The moment we achieve one success, and if we're depending on it for happiness, that happiness doesn't last too long. Then we look at the next success. So it's a continual cycle. Success as such doesn't lead to happiness. Our inner thoughts, our inner state of being, our vision of life is what determines success. And you know what? Modern science, psychology is coming to the conclusion that happiness is something which can be generated from the inside. It is not necessarily dependent on circumstances. It is within our power to generate a feeling of well-being. And this very manufacturing of well-being, this very creation of a positive vibe within us, echoes in all that we do. In our communications, in our work, in our interpersonal relationships, in our sense of passion at work, it reflects. That is why I feel, somebody asked me, why is what you do important, People don't need to be motivated. People don't need inspiration. Edison said, inspiration 1%, hard work, sweat 99%. But you know what? Without that 1%, the 99% is not possible. This 1%, this small change in attitude of looking at the world, this small change in attitude at not looking at happiness as something which is determined by the outside, this small shift and realizing, oh yes, happiness is dependent on me. The moment I feel happy within, it translates into results even outwardly. That's the basis of inspiration. So Anandam Brahma, the feeling of bliss within. We spend so much time and resources on training, on human development, on so many activities. How much time do we devote to the human mind? You see, the human mind needs relaxation. The human mind needs to be laid back. The human mind needs a situation where it is not just responding to stress. The human mind needs a situation where it feels rested, happy. That is all that I do. It is the science of knowing why, how, emotion, mind, allowing the mind to understand that it is within its own capacity to be inspired. Through that, all is achieved. Without that, everything is fruitless.